Welcome to the final video in our series 10 quick tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. The final tip is to use the paid version. The free version does have quite a bit that you can get out of it. Mostly it's anything language related and anything that would have occurred before October 2023. It does not have access to the web and it doesn't have data past that date. And something that's funny is that when I asked the free version what the last date was that it was trained on, it gave me September 21. But then when I asked the paid version of ChatGPT, which is able to access the internet, it told me it's October 2023. So that tells you right there that it is outdated, the free version, but it can help you write copy, it can help you generate ideas. So it still is useful. There's a lot it can do, but keep in mind it can't access the web and get the most up to date information. Another thing that's great about the paid ChatGPT version is that DALL-E is another feature that you get, which is image generation. You have Search GPT here, so you can search the web. So similar to what you would do for a Google search, you instead come to ChatGPT and search through ChatGPT. And lastly, there are custom GPTs that you can make and that other people have made, and you can use theirs. So if you wanted to create your own, you just click here on the create button, but you can also browse through free featured, you can browse through trending by ChatGPT. That means that they created it themselves. And of course, up here at the top, you can search if there's something that you have in mind for a custom GPT. It's definitely worth the cost when you consider how much time it saves you because it can generate so much information in a matter of seconds that you didn't have to generate yourself. And remember, all AI tools, of course, do need human review at the end of the day. It is not going to be perfect. So make sure that anything that you get out of ChatGPT, whether it's the paid version or the free version, that you have the human review, have human eyes on that copy, data, whatever it is that you are pulling out of ChatGPT. I hope you've enjoyed this series and got a lot out of it. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you need a little extra help learning about ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your marketing, visit technologytherapy.com to partner up with a mentor who can walk you through step by step.